Morning students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to start unit 10 averages, which is at page number 130 of our book. Let me start the chapter with an example. One day a teacher placed some sweets on the table and asked the children to come one by one and pick up some sweets from the table. 4 students came: first, second, third and fourth. All they went to the table and picked up some sweets. The first student said, "Ma'am, I have got 13 sweets." Second said, "Ma'am, I have got 8 sweets." Similarly, third has got 2 and fourth has got 1. Then teacher says, "Don't worry, all these were 24 sweets. Let me distribute these 24 sweets equally among you." And to distribute 24 sweets among 4 students, what should we do? Tell me. 24 divides by 4 means 6 sweets should each child get. So in this situation we observe that on an average each child must get 6 sweets, or we can say that average number of sweets each child gets is 6. To find the average of a group of numbers, group of things, divide the sum of numbers means the total number of things by the total number of addends. Addends means into which the things are to be divided. That 6 will be the average. This is the formula for the average. Average equals to sum of numbers divides by total number of addends. Numbers means addends, the numbers which are to be added, and here total number of addends means here 4 students are given, then divides by 4 and total number of things are 24 and the average number of things will be 6. Okay, so our formula for average is sum of addends divides by total number of addends. You may also say sum of numbers divided by total number of things, total number of addends. Okay, now the same formula will be applied in complete chapter. Firstly, let me start worksheet 1, which is at page number 132 of our book. Question number 1 is, complete the table by finding the average of these sets. The first one is done for you. Here the numbers are given, sum of numbers we need to write, total number of addends, and then find the average. To find the sum of numbers, here firstly we are discussing a part of the question. Some numbers are given. When we add all these numbers, 15 plus 21 plus 18 plus 26 plus 30, I will get 110. Total number of addends means count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then average, as we have done, what is the formula for average? Sum of numbers divides by total number of addends. Then cancel it. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 1 will left, 5 twos are 10 means the answer is 22. Okay, similarly C part of the question, when we add all these numbers it will be 246. The total number of addends are 6. 246 divides by 6, it will be cancelled at 6 ones are 6 fours are 24, 6 ones are 6 means 41 is the average. In the same way, E part of the question is 8 centimeter, 25 centimeter, 32 centimeter, 19 centimeter. When I add all these things, it will be 84 centimeter. Just keep in mind that if some unit is given, that unit will come with the answer. Then total number of addends are 4. When 84 divides by 4, it will be 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4 means 21 centimeter is the average. Okay, the remaining parts of this question you will do on your own. Come to question number 2. Here the question is find the average of 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10. 5 fractions are given. We need to find the average. First thing we need to find the average of some numbers is sum of addends. Means we will add all the numbers 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. To find the sum of fractions, firstly we will find LCM. As the denominators are same, the same will be the LCM. And 10 divides 10, it's 1, 1 ones are 1. In the same way, we will get the numerators 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. When I add all these things, it will be 15 by 10. This is the sum of addend. And the total number of addends are 5. Now, the formula for average is sum of addends divides by total number of addends, means 15 by 10, which is sum of addends. The first is fraction, then divides by total number of addends, this. The division of fraction is here. We will write 1 here. Division sign will be converted to multiplication. Reciprocal will be taken. It will be cancelled. And the answer will be 3 by 10. Okay. Come to question number 3. This is the fill in the blanks. And we will solve this question in book only. The first part is we divide 14 by dash to find the average of 8 and 6. Means the average of two numbers are to be find out. So firstly we will find the sum of addends, which is 14. 14 by what will come? Total number of addends. How many addends are here? 2. Okay. The average of 11 and 9 is, we will find the average sum of addends divides by total number of addends and fill it here. Okay. In the same way, the average of these three numbers, firstly we will find the sum of addends, which is 0, 1, 1, 1. It's this. Then average. Average means sum of addends divides by total number of addends. When I will divide it, it will be cancelled at 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. It's 370 will be the answer. Okay. D part of the question is we divide this by this to find the average of these numbers. So we divide sum of addends by total number of addends. So we will find sum, then total number and fill it by yourself. In the same way, the average of 16 kilogram, 18 kilogram and 20 kilogram. What it will be? Tell me. 54 kilogram is the sum of addends, and if we find their average, find total number of addends is 18 kilogram is the answer. Okay. It completes our worksheet 1. Your homework is complete and revise worksheet 1 of unit 10. Thank you.